click on select subject. So it will automatically select your object. So then select and mask, or go for select. By holding shift, click on select and mask. You will get refine edge. So you can see the difference in different background colors. So but now I am using black background color. So just turn on the smart radius. So increase the radius. So then brush surround to your ears. So continue the process as shown. Once the brush up is done, so just click on output to new layer with layer mask. So you will get your selected object in a new layer with the layer mask. Just add one solid color to your background. So you can see the difference between the previous image and current image. So by using this kind of method, you can change background color of your images. You can change the color of solid later also by double clicking on it.